How to convert image to Word documents. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can convert image to Word document. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open the Word on your system. Open it by searching on the search field for Word. Okay, Word. Okay, so simply open the Word app. Okay, so after opening the Word, you'll have to choose for the blank document here. And here you have to go for the option like insert on the top left corner of the screen. So you have to click on this insert option, and here you have to go for the option picture. Okay, so now from here you have to select the image whom you want to convert to Word document. So simply I'm selecting this random picture from here. Okay, so picture has been added. So let me adjust it. Okay, so now it's done. So for the next step, you'll have to export this file as PDF on your system. So simply for that option, you'll have to click on this file, and here you have to go for the option as save as, and here you have to choose on the options like browse. Here I should give a name, so it may be a random name, Word document one. So simply click here and choose for the options PDF. So simply now you have to click on this save option. Alright, so now the image has been converted to PDF. So again, you have to open this PDF on your Word. So choose blank document again from here. And here you again have to go for the options like file, have to go for the options like browse. And from here, choose the downloaded PDF file that recently you made. So after you choose the PDF document you have recently converted, so simply click on this open option. Okay, so it will directly convert your PDF file to Word. So simply click on this OK option. Alright, now you can see that I have converted the PDF file to Word. Like you can see, this is the procedural step-by-step method to convert an image file to Word document. So likewise, you can also convert the image to Word document. Thank you for watching this video.